Here is how to view your watch history on Twitter or X. So, first, you can go ahead and open the official website of Twitter, that is x.com. Log into your account. And if you're using your mobile device, you can launch the app, log into your account. Also, make sure that your app is updated. Now, on the home page, tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, from this page, select More from the left hand side of the screen and go to Settings and Privacy. Now, select your account section from the top. Then select Download and Archive of your data. This lets you see the information Twitter stores about your account. Then re enter your Twitter password to access your history. Select Request Archive, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be able to see your searches, videos, photos, posts, and more. And Twitter will send it to the email linked to your account, and you can then view your watch history from there. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.